good time is the cinema organ, and maybe you've often wondered how it works. Well, the old-time horn points to the secret. You blew it and caused air vibrations. In an organ, blowing air against the sharp edge of a pipe causes similar vibrations or eddies. At regular intervals, between the vibrations, so to speak, are points where the air is still. These intervals are called nodes. The actual sound depends on the volume of air in the tube.
The sound is not so loud because the column of air is not adjusted.
But in a moment, you'll hear the difference. Now let's see how an organ pipe is made. Molten metal is poured into a bath and allowed to cool off. Then comes the centuries-old hand process of skimming and rolling until the cooled metal can be stripped off in a thin sheet. The sheet of metal goes into a hand press to be shaped. In the words of the old song, the music must go round and around. Now the tapered end is smoothed off and the apertures are cut. This process, fittingly enough, is called voicing. A skilled craftsman gives the pipe its vocal cords. The cinema organ is a festoon of wires and a miracle of musical effects. By the simple manipulation of a stop, you can trill like a twinnet or boom like a billiola. Instead of the lips blowing into the ancient horn, the air vibrations of a cinema organ are set up by an electric motor. You'll see how the motor is linked with the air pump and the pump with the bellows. The air is forced by the bellows up the wind chest to the pipe. The mouth of the pipe is sealed by a small pallet or valve pressed tight by a tiny bellows, and it makes electrical contact with its own particular note on the keyboard. When a key is pressed, a simple but ingenious mechanism causes the electric current to flow. The pallet opens and the air rushes joyfully into the pipe. A note is born. Striking a note